Oh. What's up world, good morning. So this is a long weekend here in Bangalore. Today is Shivratri and it's a Friday. If you're in Bangalore, you know where I'm standing right now. I'm at the Pune metro station waiting for some more guys. We are about 10 heading to you know where, Coorg. We have a Honda City which is yet to reach, and then we need to head towards Nelamangala, and where we'll be meeting a Brezza. So there are two cars and I'm the only bike. Yes, I am a little crazy, but you know why? This is my passion. So I'll talk to you guys pretty soon when we catch up with rest of the people, okay? Until then, let's have some fun. See ya. On the move. So the city guys just passed us. It's not this city, it's that city. So we are at the Parleji toll and they are going to get stuck again. This was kind of expected. I'll catch you guys after some time, probably after all the traffic is done and when we meet up with the others. It's actually freezing. The weather is freezing. It's 7:25 right now. So we just had our breakfast and we are heading to Namdroling Monastery, that is in Kushal Nagar. So it's about 146 kilometers from here. Google Maps says we'll reach by 11:30. I think we are going to be more late. Yeah, we'll try to do the best. So we are almost at the exit from the Hassan Highway to Chenraipatna. There's some road construction ahead. Bridge repair work in progress. Way to Hassan. You need to take a left. There is going to be a lot of traffic jam because many people don't know that you can go to Hassan from this side also. See, it says 44 kilometers there. Just go straight, guys. And I'll just slow down for my friends. So we are off from the 4-lane highways and on to single lane. We are on Southern Highway 8. The roads look good at this point. There are no markings on these speed breakers. Imagine if you're coming at night, you're just gonna go bounce off your bike. Okay, there you go. Madikeri, 123 kilometers from here. It's 9:30. Not so hot yet, but it will get hot. We will need to reach Kushalnagar at least before that. Wow! So you can see the windmills. Now we are really beginning to enjoy the scenery. We are off from highways and it is through these kind of village roads where you will actually start enjoying the scenery. Oh, these are really good roads. Really good roads here. The reason why I took this route instead of the Mysore road side is because I was expecting good roads and I am kind of bored going through the Mysore road because you need to be really careful that people keep crossing left and right. But guys, trust me when I say this, if you want to see windmills, head towards Kanyakumari. That is where you will find windmills. Tirunelveli, there is a huge windmill farm. If you guys haven't seen my Kanyakumari video yet, I am sharing the link on the top right. Go ahead, click on it and watch the Kanyakumari video. The windmills are amazing. Okay guys, I don't know which river this is, but it looks beautiful, so we're gonna take a small break here. I hope you guys are enjoying the views and the places. We'll take a small picture break here. I can see a lot of water reservoirs and there are a lot of small ponds and lakes in this route which you guys can stop by and spend some time. Make sure you're not passing this route during the midday. See, I'm talking about these. Unfortunately, the last small stretch didn't get recorded. I thought the camera was on and it wasn't. Sorry for that, but it was a beautiful stretch. Ladies and gentlemen, we are almost there. About 3 kilometers. Alright, so it looks like that is the only place till where I can capture video, but if possible I'll take some pictures inside, guys. We just finished visiting the monastery. You guys were lucky to see the things inside. And now we are heading to Nisargadama. It's about 8 kilometers from here. And it's very, very hot. I really don't know where we are going. The leaders here are using Google Maps, and this is not really the way to Nisargadama. Not the way at all. Where are we going?
Nisargadama. 800 meters. 3 minutes.
This is not the way to Nisargadama. There is a really nice highway to Nisargadama.
Actually, there is an entrance called.
Yeah. It's that side. Put Nisargadama Reserve.
The same place.
U-turn.